Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to study a part of biology known as embryo. We are going to study this topic with questions and answers for a better understanding. The first question we have here says, the branch of science that deals with the study of embryos is best described as dash. A. Genetics. B. Physiology. C. Embryology. D. Taxonomy. In this question, the correct answer is C. Embryology. This embryology is an important area of science that deals with the study of embryos and their relevance. So, the scientists that specialize in this embryology are called embryologists. The next question says, the product of zygote development from 2 weeks until the end of 8 weeks is best described as dash. A. Embryo. B. Fertilization. C. Osmosis. D. Hemolysis. In this question, the correct answer is A. Embryo. In one of our videos, we have treated fertilization, and we said that fertilization is a process that deals with the fusion of male and female gametes leading to the formation of zygotes. So zygote is the product of fertilization. So research have shown in embryology that when zygotes undergo development starting from 2 weeks until the end of 8 weeks, the period of zygote development from 2 weeks until the end of 8 weeks is best described as embryo. So this embryo is the product of zygote development from 2 weeks until the end of 8 weeks. The next question says, the scientific process of embryo formation and development is best described as dash. A. Photosynthesis. B. Embryogenesis. C. Photolysis. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. Embryogenesis. This embryogenesis is the process that deals with embryo formation and development in the body system of a woman. The next question says, the process whereby the zygote undergoes mitosis with no significant growth is called dash. A. Cleavage. B. Hemolysis. C. Enzyme. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Cleavage. This cleavage is the mitotic cell division that zygote undergoes with no significant growth. So after the formation of this zygote, it will undergo mitosis. Mitosis is a type of cell division whereby a cell produces two daughter cells that are genetically the same. So when zygote undergoes mitosis, or the process whereby the zygote undergoes mitosis with no significant growth, is best described as cleavage. The next question says, the stage of embryonic development characterized by formation and development of organs is best described as dash. A. Organogenesis. B. Spermatogenesis. C. Epithelium. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Organogenesis. Organogenesis is a stage of embryonic development that involve the formation and development of internal organs in a woman. So when an embryo undergo development, the stage of that development of that embryo whereby internal organs begin to form or develop in that embryo is best described as organogenesis. This process is very important because if something goes wrong in this process, there will be formation of abnormal organs, or there can be problems of organ development in that embryo, and definitely it will reflect when the baby is born. The next question says, the stage of embryonic development that lead to production of blastula is called dash. A. Gastrulation. B. Blastulation. C. Plasmolysis. D. Osmosis. In this question, the correct answer is B. Blastulation. This blastulation is the stage of embryonic development that leads to production of a structure known as blastula in an embryo. The next question says, in mammals, the blastula undergoes some development to form dash. A. Blastocyst. B. Ovarian cyst. C. Sperm cell. D. Leukocytes. In this question, the correct answer is A. Blastocyst. This blastocyst is a structure that is formed in mammals when the blastula undergoes development. It's a product of the development of blastula in many mammals such as human beings. The next question says, the product of development of zygote from 8 weeks till birth is called dash. A. Enzymes. B. Enzymology. C. Foetus. D. Pre-embryo. In this question, the correct answer is C. Foetus. Foetus is the product of development of zygote from 8 weeks till birth. So zygote undergo development until a foetus is formed. So when scientists start looking at this, or scientists consider the stage of embryonic development called foetus starting from the 8 weeks of the embryonic development till birth. So that period of, or the product of development of zygote from 8 weeks till birth is best described as foetus. So foetus is an advanced form of embryo. So foetus is more complex than embryo. The next question says, the process whereby the zygote gets attached on the walls of the womb is called dash. A. Fertilization. B. Implantation. C. Phagocytosis. D. Osmosis. In this question, the correct answer is B. Implantation. This implantation is the process whereby the zygote formed after fertilization gets attached on the walls of the uterus. The next question says, implantation is a process that marks the dash of pregnancy. A. Beginning of pregnancy. B. End of pregnancy. C. Center of pregnancy. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Beginning of pregnancy. So when implantation becomes successful on the wall of the uterus, it marks the onset or the beginning of pregnancy. So a good implantation shows that the pregnancy in that woman or in that female animal have begun. So it's an important or crucial physiological process that marks the beginning of pregnancy. The next question says, implantation ensures that the embryo access dash for further development. A. Lead. B. Nutrients. C. Sand. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. Nutrients. So implantation ensures that the embryo have access to nutrients for further development. As the embryo or as the zygote gets implanted on the uterus, the system of that woman will begin to supply the essential nutrients that the embryo need for better development until it leads to formation of fetus and finally to birth. So the essence of implantation is to ensure that the embryo access nutrients for further development. The next question says, the period of pregnancy in an organism is called dash. A. Gestation. B. Menstruation. C. Hormones. D. Enzymes. In this question, the correct answer is A. Gestation. This gestation is the period of pregnancy in an organism. Different organisms have different gestation period. For instance, the gestation period of a woman is 9 months. The gestation period of rat is 21 days. The gestation period of rabbit is 1 month. So different mammals or different animals have different period of pregnancy. So this period of pregnancy is best described as gestation. The next question says, when implantation takes place outside the womb, it leads to dash. A. Ectopic pregnancy. B. Fertilization. C. Sand formation. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Ectopic pregnancy. Research have shown that implantation can take place outside the womb. The womb or the uterus is the main site or is the normal site of implantation. But there are some women that implantation can take place outside their womb. When this occurs, it will lead to what we call ectopic pregnancy. This ectopic pregnancy is a problem in women because studies have shown that a lot of women experience bleeding and some other complicated problems in their pregnancy. So it's a serious threat to the health of women when they experience this ectopic pregnancy. And studies have shown that this implantation can occur even in one of the fallopian tubes, resulting to this ectopic pregnancy. If this is the first time you are watching our video, if this is the first time you are joining this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you can study other topics that we have treated in many of our videos. You can also make your comments in this channel.